Today, I'm diving into Landingi, a platform designed to help marketers and entrepreneurs create high-converting landing pages without coding. Right from the start, the interface is user-friendly, and it doesn't take long to figure out how to start building. After signing up, you're taken to a dashboard that highlights your campaigns, leads, and access to templates. Landingi offers over 300 templates, covering a wide range of industries and use cases. Most of them are mobile optimized and customizable using their drag-and-drop editor. You can tweak nearly every element: images, forms, buttons, fonts, and you don't need design experience. That said, some templates feel a little outdated or generic compared to more modern design tools, which could be a downside if you're looking for a cutting-edge appearance. The editor itself is responsive and smooth, though occasionally, there's a bit of lag when loading large templates. One standout feature is the section management, allowing you to copy, hide, and reuse entire sections, which speeds up the workflow considerably. There's also a widget system for adding countdown timers, videos, social proof, and more. Landingi shines when it comes to integrations. You can connect directly with platforms like MailChimp, HubSpot, Salesforce, and even run scripts for analytics or retargeting. These options are vital for marketers who rely on a connected funnel. However, you'll notice that some integrations are locked behind higher-tier plans, which might feel restrictive if you're on a budget. The A/B testing feature lets you compare different versions of a page to see which performs better. The analytics are clean and understandable, but not as in-depth as some might want. If you're a data-driven user, you'll likely need to supplement with Google Analytics or similar tools. Publishing is seamless with options to use Landingi's domains, your own domain, or WordPress plugin support. It's convenient, and deployment happens within minutes. Performance-wise, pages load quickly on both desktop and mobile, but image-heavy templates may need extra optimization for speed. Many useful links you can find in the description. Support is reliable with a live chat option during business hours. The help articles are extensive, and there are onboarding emails that provide good guidance. However, I did run into some confusion around automations. Landingi offers lead nurturing options, but they're basic compared to full-scale marketing automation platforms. Landingi does offer a free trial, but its pricing can climb quickly if you want access to advanced features like funnels, dynamic text replacement, or custom scripts. For solo users or freelancers, the basic tier is sufficient, but agencies and marketers scaling campaigns may find themselves needing to upgrade. To sum up, Landingi is a powerful tool for building landing pages without coding. It balances ease of use with solid features, though there are limitations depending on your plan. If you're focused on quick deployment and standard lead gen flows, it works great. But if you're looking for deep customization or advanced automation, you might hit some walls. If this video helped you get a clearer picture of Landingi, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews just like this one.